welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my what I eat in a day. I love watching these videos, so I thought it might be kind of fun to show you what I eat. Today I'm going out for lunch, so I thought I might take you with me and show you what I have there. So if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and also subscribe. And also if you enjoy pink, fashion, beauty, gym motivation and also food, then please go and follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _ and I'm always posting throughout the day, so if you want to see what I'm up to, then also go and check me out on there. So most mornings at breakfast time I don't really have a lot of time. If I do have a little bit more time, I will try and make something like porridge oats, or I really like banana cinnamon toast. But today I just went for my super quick breakfast routine, which is yogurt, fruit and granola. So I don't eat any dairy product. I find that dairy kind of breaks my skin out and I just don't really feel well after it, so I don't eat it. So I have the Alpro soy yogurt. My favourite flavour is the vanilla one because it goes with every kind of fruit and every kind of granola. They didn't have any in the shop, they only had the plain with coconut. Normally I love coconut, but I hadn't tried this yogurt before and I found it was a little bit better. Once I mixed in my fruit and everything, it was okay. So I take 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt in a bowl and then I sprinkle whatever fruit I have in my house. So today I had some blueberries and raspberries, and then my favourite granola, which is maple and pecan. I really love pecans, and the granola is nice and sweet, but I don't have too much so it's not too sugary, but I just have that for my breakfast, mix it all in, and I kind of mush the raspberries in with my spoon and it makes kind of a raspberry ripple kind of swirly effect and it tastes amazing. Every morning I always start my day with a big glass of lemon water. I take half a litre of water and squeeze the juice of half a lemon into my cup. If I'm in a rush, I'll pop it into a bottle and take it with me in the car. It brightens up my skin and it also just gives me such an amazing burst of energy in the mornings. So I always start my day with that, and then I also fill up my litre water bottle and I take that with me wherever I go. Wherever I am, I always have my water bottle with me and I drink between 3 and 4 litres of water a day. That's me back home now, and today I had the most delicious lunch. I went out to a restaurant called Scott's and I had a chicken and bacon salad, and I just asked for it without the cheese, but it came with a beautiful French dressing and it just had really nice lettuce leaves and peppers and onions and cashews. It's really lovely, so I really enjoyed my lunch. And with that, again, I just had a glass of water as usual, and then afterwards I did treat myself to a coffee. So I had a vanilla latte with soy milk. Afterwards we went for a nice walk along the beach. I'll include some footage of that because I got some new pink glitter welly boots and I think they're amazing, so I just wanted to feature them. If you want to see my outfit details, then follow me on Instagram and check them out over there, but I'll also link everything down below. The reason my hair has changed is because I got a little bit windswept on the beach, but it was really lovely and we had such a nice walk after our lunch. So I came home later on and I had some dinner as well. So I had lasagna and it was homemade, so the bechamel sauce was made with soy milk, so again completely dairy free, and I've also been drinking my water throughout the day. So like I said earlier, I always drink water and I take it with me wherever I go. After my dinner I had a cereal bar, so I had a Nature Valley bar, and then later on this evening I might have another cereal bar, but basically throughout the evening I will just be drinking loads of water, and that's pretty much it for what I eat in a day. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you so much for watching.